Hi guys, Piotr here, welcome back to my channel. Today it's time for XEN news and charts. We are going to discuss XEN, DBXEN, DBXENFTs, VMPX as well. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's start with the XEN chart. Here is a 4-hour chart. We see the price action around. The biggest development, it was the breakdown through this particular line. If you do remember, I posted the chart on the Twitter as well. And well, we did the same distance of this consolidation. We did it exactly the same distance to the downside with the huge stop count and the lower shadow and then the rally. Now, to be perfectly clear, let me make it a little bit bigger for you. The thing is that I really expected that's gonna be the bottom, at least for some time. What I don't like is the size of the move to the upside, because looks like we do the same kind of the corrections and then we are falling lower. So if that's the case here, let's have a look what we might have as a possible move to the downside in that case. If we are going to make it that way and we are going to provide the further move like this, that could be another bottom, right? That could be another bottom. I don't like it personally. I strongly believe that we already hit that bottom over here. There was a stop count. I haven't seen any kind of the stop count to the upside, so I truly believe that what we've seen after that lower shadow over here, that was the bottom creation, that was the consolidation move to the upside. As of now, we are pulling back and hopefully we are going to start to try to move higher from here to at least retest 1400. That's the crucial as of now when it comes to the XEN. So from the long-term perspective, it might be quite significant level here to try to DCA, but as usual guys, please do your own research before you are going to risk your heart and money. Of course, if we are going to break through the levels we were discussing, we might see development going lower and we might see retest the levels we discussed based on the previous moves to the downside. Correction, and then depends how we are going to behave after this move. That could be another level to try to slowly DCA. So overall, as long as we are above this latest low, I'm very positive as of now. We might see some kind of the bumps on the road and trying to go higher. The thing is, if the whole market is going to deteriorate further, well, there might be no rescue for the XEN bulls and we might see the lower levels. So that's the XEN. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to DBXEN, and very interesting thing here, of course, maybe not from the price setup, price action. As of now, we are below $3 mark, and that's the significant development. To be honest with you, I didn't expect, but with the overall market behavior, that's what we have to deal with, right? So this 3 mark level as of now is a crucial, and as you can see, the volume is drying up, right? So there is not enough liquidity for some ways to try to step in and trying to manipulate the price. That could be quite good development. We know that on all those main blockchains there is something around 90 plus DXN tokens staked. But if you haven't watched, I strongly encourage you to visit the Crypto Bro, if I'm not mistaken, something like this with 3H, and the interview with Razvan, where they were discussing the DBXENFT and the DBXENFT coming with the huge and big steps, and we are very close. Razvan lately said on the Twitter that he is awaiting the latest information from Certic, the company who is doing the audit of the DBXENFT contract. Now, based on the interview, my short takeaway, but again, strongly encourage you to watch the whole one, plenty of information, is the point number one, that you are going to wrap your DBXEN, you are going to wrap your XEN NFT, right? And the closer the NFT is to the minting, right, your XEN, the bigger your power will be, right? So it's quite important, and you are going to get the power. You can level up your power by staking DBXEN, right? So we have another utility which in my opinion is going to be crucial when it comes to the XEN environment, especially when it comes to the DBXEN. And we at some point, again, I'm very big believer that DBXEN NFTs is going to be the very well prepared project. It's gonna to be winning project. We might see some kind of demand for the DBXEN, and taking into the consideration what I've said a second ago, that there is not enough liquidity, we might see the liquidity drying up further, pushing with the huge volatility DBXEN token higher, and you may stay within the DBXENFT as long as you are not unwrapping your XEN NFT. So that's the last thing. Once you are going to unwrap, you are going to lose your power and you may claim your XEN. Alright, so let's have a look what we have when it comes to the DBXEN levels. $3 mark is a crucial, then around $8. We have to take out the very big level. If we are going to be able to close above $8, then the next high is this swing high around 11.50-12, and then crucial level around 16. Once we done with 12 and we done with 16, so these lows we've seen in the past around 2022 could be the name of the game. So we have 3 upside levels. If we are going to hit 21, based on the current price action, it's gonna to be 7x. And finally, let's switch and have a look what we have when it comes to the VMPX. I'm a huge believer here as well. After the big rally, I told you that I'm going to start accumulate at the lowest levels, like 8 cents. Currently we are trading even around the 5 cents, and well, we are nicely consolidating. So the wise way is smart DCA. Okay, I've been buying some at 8, 7, 6 and 5, and well, it might be, of course the numbers are small because I'm small fish, but the plan is, after the DCA, if we are going to see some kind the price action to the upside towards 12 cents, why 12 is the breakdown level over here, right? I can close half of my VMPX and I'm going to be like on zero, leaving the second half as a back for the further rally on any other kind of the utility. So with that being said, guys, wish you great next trading session. Do your own research, stay safe, see you around, take care, and goodbye.